Hey y'all, today is Tuesday. I just wanted to show you I got a ginger shot. I've never drunken a ginger shot before, and this one is to help with Brasilia. Can you cut it down? Got me a ginger shot, and this is to help with digestion. So hopefully to get my gut right, you know what I'm saying? So it can help me lose that belly fat. It has ginger with probiotics in it. It says it has, where are the ingredients? Organic coconut water, organic pineapple juice, organic ginger juice, organic apple cider vinegar, organic lemon juice, acerola, cherry extract, organic panax ginseng extract, organic ground cayenne pepper, and Bacillus cangonus. I don't know how to say that word. Okay. But yeah, shake well. It says to shake well. I want to make my own though. I bought me some ginger too as well. So I want to start making my own ginger shots. Ooh, it smells like that A&D ointment that you put on the baby's booty. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. I can taste the cayenne pepper a lot. Oh baby, no. You wanna try to? You just looking at me. Yeah, try it. Oh, you got dog on it. Don't pour a lot, it's about you name. It's not an ill. It's just like you're not expecting like the spice. Okay, yeah. Just drink it all. Ah, I did it. Ugh. Baby. Baby, it better work. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. Okay. So now I gotta go edit. I'm gonna go edit this video. And I'll be back later. Yeah, I'll be back later. After I edit my video, I'm gonna clean up my desk. It's got to get straightened up. Let me show y'all what it looks like. It's a bad. So yeah, this is what my desk looking like, y'all. And she got to get cleaned up bad. Like, I did my makeup the other day, and it really looked like a tornado just went through it. So I'm going to do that today, and I have to do some content tonight for one of the brands. So team no sleep. Team no sleep. Team no sleep. But yeah, I'm out here. I'll be back later. Hey guys, today is
It's Thursday, right?
Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
It's Wednesday, Wednesday. It's Wednesday. And we're just taking a walk with no puppy.
New puppy.
And I was not for this either because it's like another child. If you know, you know. Then we got Suge still. Everybody's just taking a joy walk. So it's very nice outside. And we're just enjoying the weather. I hope you guys are doing well. All right, check in with y'all later. Bye.
On the flower.
Okay, now we're gonna just head on back to the house. You having fun, Moo Moo? Look at her. She's so excited. You're just so excited. Keep her over, Dukes. The sun is sunning. It is so bright and beautiful outside. If you haven't gotten your steps in, you should do so. It's okay. Oh, he's just so whiny. Poor baby.
I wish I could take this bonnet off. It's hot. Your baby.
Oh, I hope I don't drop my phone. The pool's all ready to go.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things. This for the diamonds, a head full of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know. Baby, you.
So my daughter decides to make me a smoothie with spinach and protein. She used a pineapple as well. And this is just to really help me because I've been having this hard time with my energy and just getting up and going as a mom. And sometimes you just need a break, even to make your own little smoothie or your get up. So I really appreciate my children just for listening to me. I think I've just been complaining all week about, oh, I don't have no energy or I'm not feeling well. So my oldest daughter, she was listening and just decided to take it upon herself to make me a smoothie, and I really appreciate that. Now the whole time she was like, okay, Mom, what else? Okay, Mom, what else? Okay, Mom, what else? What put it in our Mom? But the most part, she already knew what to do. Because we make smoothies on a regular around here. You know, just even if we don't like eat the healthiest. I know y'all probably like, girl, y'all just eat anything. We eat what we like, okay? And we do eat healthy too as well. So yeah, you gotta feed your body the good stuff too. I know it's expensive, girl. Who you telling? Trying to eat healthy is very expensive. I don't know what they want from us, but we all need that good green or good protein in our lives. So why make it so hard to eat or survive? I don't understand, girl. I don't understand. So if you ever feel like you just need a break, take your break, girl. Take the time out. Listen to your body because we know what our body needs. So listen to it, do right by it, add your little green to your life, and you'll feel so much better, I promise. So I know I didn't really end this vlog with nothing that cooked down or throw down in the kitchen. So we're going to end it with something good and green that's Gigi, okay?
That's good. It's really good.
Just double in each octave. And he was like, no, each element is you don't see the relationship. So I left school. I was going to spend 4 years for a periodic table and I found out. Black girl, if you a 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you a black girl, if you a black girl, if you a JP, my neck, my back, so my back, my neck, my back, my back, my back, my neck, my back, so butter brown. Oh my, my neck, my back, my back, my neck.